cultural policy and cultural management theory in Europe more and more are using concepts developed in United States academia, such as creative class or rise of the creative class of Richard Florida. Why I don't think it's productive enough? Because creative class was on the rise and has its crucial importance throughout Europe, specifically, for example, in the 19th century, when its role was the creation of national identity, cultural identity, and appreciation of the creative class within European nation-state culture was huge. Each nation still today has its father or mother of the nation, who are usually artists and usually poets or let's say painters. So the appreciation and the meaning of creative class in Europe has been totally different than in the United States. To speak today, or to take just this concept that today the rise of creative class in the world is a new phenomena, is not really explaining what's going on in Europe, and specifically it's not pregnant enough or good enough for cultural field, because creative class in United States is mostly used within different sorts of economy and business, not really producing cultural values, but using culture, art and artistic expression to create goods and consumeristic, let's say, to stimulate consumeristic behavior, while still creative class in Europe had another role and meaning and is as much involved in industrial and economical sense of the world, which I'm not criticizing totally, but just wanting to underline the limits. The creative class in Europe is still involved much more in value creations, in concept creations, in critical thinking, and that, I think, is the major role of creative class, to put the social values and cultural values in question.